Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
जी सुडाचे हे हाडल्या आमचे हे करपाक प्रोजेक्ट करपाक तेंचे कन्सल्टंट लिस्ट जे लिस्ट आमी काय करूकूच ना कन्सल्टंट आमी अपॉइंट करू तांकां फायनलायज करपाक आमकां रायटूच ना आमी सांगला की आमी कन्सल्टंट हे करूया टेंडर करूया तिसरें नॅशनल थिएटर ही आमची प्रॉपर्टी हार्ट ऑफ द सिटीन आसा तो जो ओनर आसा ते ओनराक तेजो हे ओनर न्ही आमचो टेनंट तेजो लिस्ट केन्ना सोंपलो
They are now trying to sell the property to a builder. जेन्ना हांव मेयर आसलो आनी वेन उदय बाब मेयर आसले आमकां ते आयिल्ले डील करपाक आमी सांगलें हे आमचे आदल्या लोकांनी ही प्रॉपर्टी दवरलेली आहा मार्केट थर्ड फेज हांवें सांगलें ना थर्ड फेज कित्याक कोणाक
दिवपाचें आतां लिस्ट करा
लिस्ट खंय गोंयकारांक ओ मायग्रंटांक
महापौर म्हणटा CCPची आर्थीक परिस्थिती सारकी ना येणावळ उबी करूंक वेगवेगळे उपाय चल्ल्यात.
There is no comprehensive stormwater drainage network for the city. So now G Suda thankfully is doing one for us, including a detailed project report also, which has not been done. So this is the first time it is being done. Now after this plan comes in, then hopefully we are going to be in talks with other agencies for execution of that work. So this is the Panjim market plan, phase 3. So that also we are in talks with G Suda to have that plan developed for us. DMA has given us say every year 5 crores. Now the way it was utilized in the past was basically it was given spread out amongst the cooperators and it would never really solve any major problem. So now this year what we're hoping to do is fix one major problem in one ward or in 2-3 wards, how much ever. The theatre thing has been pending since 2010 or earlier than that also. Okay, our financial situation is not the best, but my eventual goal is now to reduce taxes for everyone in the city. But for that to happen we need alternate sources of income that is not only related to taxing people.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.